this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper glove and a paper sock. So this is a very easy way of making a paper glove and a paper sock, and this is a very useful and cute Christmas craft as well. So as you guys know, Christmas is nearing and I've started uploading different Christmas crafts on my channel. So you guys can watch my Christmas playlist that contains many Christmas crafts like this. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make these two tiny and cute crafts. So if you guys want, you can make it in a bigger size and now use it as a wall decor or anything as well. So let's get started. So first we'll be seeing how to make the glove. So for this I'm just going to be taking a square piece of paper of red color. So the next step I'm going to be doing is that I'm just going to be folding the paper a little bit at one corner part of the paper over here. And I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting it out like this. So you guys can take a rectangular piece of paper as well, and you can take another separate paper, but it will be more easier if you take one square piece of paper. Next, I'm just going to be folding this paper in half like this, and I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line slowly over here. I'm just going to be pressing on it. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be folding it to the top part once more like this, first time. So I'm just going to be folding it over here and I'm unfolding it. Next, I'm just going to be folding the paper, both sides of the paper to the middle line slowly like this. So you guys can design this if you want to. So now I'm just going to be folding the paper over here at the top part. So this glove only requires glue at the last part. It doesn't require glue in the middle of the video while we're making it. So this is just a simple craft and it only requires simple materials such as scissors, glue and paper. That's it. So now we'll get a structure like this. Now I'm just going to be unfolding these two sides and I'm opening it until over here. Now I'm just going to be folding the paper at the bottom part a little bit over here like this, and I'm folding it a little bit on this side as well. Now I'm folding the paper to the top part over here, and now I'm turning the paper and I'm folding the paper on this side like this. So if we turn the paper, we'll get a structure like this. Now I'm just going to be folding the paper a little bit at the bottom part over here. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking the paper that we had already. Once again, I'm going to be folding it a little bit stronger at the top part so that it remains nice and looks good. So we just have to apply some more force and stick it so that it will look nice. So now I'm just going to be taking a red piece of paper, rectangular paper that we cut at the beginning, and I'm just going to be cutting out a thumb-like structure over here. So you guys can just fold the paper and do it as well. If you like, it's your wish, you can do it any way you like. You can just fold the paper and cut it or do anything you like. Now I'm just going to be opening these two parts, the bottom part, and I'm going to be opening it again over here, and I'm just going to be applying some glue at the bottom part of the paper like this. Once again. So as I said, I'm just going to be applying some glue a little bit at the bottom part of the paper, and I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm sticking it onto the corner part slowly like this. So we just have to apply some more force and stick it. The next step is I'm just going to be applying some glue at this bottom part over here, and I'm taking the top part of the paper and I'm folding it to the bottom part like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be folding the glove a little bit over here, and I'm opening the paper and cutting this over here at this corner part. So now I'm just going to be folding the paper a little bit at the top part from both the sides. And now I'm just going to be repeating the same step on the bottom part of the paper as well, like this. So after we complete this, I'm just turning it and I'm taking a black marker. So I'm just going to be designing it and I'm just going to be drawing small lines all around here. Since I made this same design for my other glove, I'm going to be repeating the same design. So you guys can use your own creativity and design this. So you can just draw anything you'd like. So if you made a different color, you can do different patterns. Since I did it in red, I'm doing it in black. So after we complete this, our paper gloves are ready, as you guys can see. Next, I'll be showing you guys how to make the paper socks. So as you guys can see, this is very cute as well. So for this, I'm just going to be taking another square piece of paper like this. The first step I'm going to be doing is that I'm folding the paper in half and I'm opening it and I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So after we complete this, I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line again like this. So these are just some good folds that you should do to make it look more neat and foldable. Now I'm just going to be folding it one more time in half over here. Now I'm just going to be folding this paper across it over here in such a way that this point is folded on top of over here. So now I'm just going to be opening it. As you guys can see, there will be like a mark over here, a line. I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the right hand side part of the line according to your angle, and I'm only going to be folding it and I'm sticking it slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be turning the paper to the opposite side, and I'm just going to be folding this part over here. So as you guys can see, it won't be perfect if you do that. So if you guys not like that pattern, you could just take a scissor and you could cut the paper onto this corner parts over here. So now I'm just going to be folding the paper at the top part like this a little bit, but we don't have to do that. It's not compulsory. It's just to make it more foldy. So now I'm just going to be taking a white strip of paper and I'm folding it in half, and I'm just going to be folding it in half one more time like this. So now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm just going to be cutting out a small circle from it. So I'm just going to be cutting it out randomly, so you guys can use any other special tools that you want to cut out a circle if you're not good at cutting. So you guys can fold the paper thrice as well. You can get like 3 pieces or 6 or anything you like. I'm just going to be cutting it. Since I cut out small circles, I have 4. 1 second. Yeah, now we have 4 circles. So the step I'm going to be doing now is that I'm applying some glue onto the, I'm just going to be opening it part over here as you guys can see, and I'm applying some glue over here, and I'm just going to be applying some glue onto this top part of the paper as well. So I'm applying more glue, so do apply more glue. And now I'm just going to be sticking one part of the paper over here. I'm sticking the other part over here, and we just have one more part over here. I'm just going to be sticking it like this. So you guys can stick it anywhere you like to make it more designful. If you guys want, you can just remove one or anything you like this as well. So I'm just going to be removing one because it's too clumsy if you put more in it. So I'll just remove one. 1 second, please wait. I'll stick it and I'll show it to you guys. So after we complete this, our top part of the socks will be ready. So the next important part is decoration, because the socks won't look good without any decoration. So I'm just going to be drawing some few lines over here. So I'm saying it again and again. You guys can use your own creativity, different colors and different paper or glitter paper too. You can decorate it like this. I'm just going to be doing the same design because I made the same one for the other paper as well. So after we complete this, our set of socks are also ready. So you guys can use your own creativity to design this. So in this video, we saw how to make socks and some gloves. So this is a cute Christmas craft, and you can gift it to your family members. You can keep it as a home decor. You could just hang it on the wall by putting a thread or anything on it, or you can also put any wire onto it as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.